Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming your Xbox account and cloud gaming eligibility, because without access, nothing else works. Next, connect your mouse and keyboard. USB gives lower latency, Bluetooth is fine if you pair correctly. Once done, choose a solid network. 5 GHz Wi-Fi or wired Ethernet reduces lag and packet loss, and target 15 megabits per second or higher. Make sure your browser is supported and updated. This minimizes compatibility issues before you launch any games. You launch the cloud session from the Xbox website or app, then immediately allow keyboard input so commands reach the game. Next, enable pointer lock or mouse capture in the browser if prompted. This keeps the cursor locked to the game window. After that, open the game's control settings and remap actions to your keyboard and mouse. If native mapping is limited, use a reputable mapping tool to create a profile. Save it per game so you don't repeat steps each time. You finish by tuning sensitivity and dead zones in short tests so aiming feels natural. Make small changes and retry. If you see stutter or input lag, reduce streaming quality, switch to wired Ethernet or 5 GHz Wi-Fi, and restart your router to clear congestion. Finally, if the mouse or keyboard drops, replug or reconnect Bluetooth, clear the browser cache, and relaunch the cloud session. This single troubleshooting step resolves.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.